As Piyush Mishra joins me, Piyush, I was asking you, of course, the focus is an urban growth story, and we will talk about that too. But I see the sentiment on the ground is a lot about Operation Sindoor.
That's right. Every woman has just one message that they are here to congratulate Prime Minister and thank him for saving the Sindoor and also giving a befitting reply to Pakistan. And that's why we saw how thousands of women from across Vadodara gathered here to welcome PM Narendra Modi. And as we are speaking, still there is a sentiment of joy, there is a sentiment of excitement among the people. And you can see how the women continue to perform here, even as Prime Minister has left more than half an hour, but still, they are dancing and are celebrating the Prime Minister's arrival in Gujarat. And it's a very, important visit of PM Narendra Modi as he is on a two-day visit to Gujarat. After Vadodara, Prime Minister, will be traveling to Dahod, to Bhuj, to Ahmedabad, to different parts of Gujarat, where he is going to dedicate developmental projects worth more than 80,000 crore to the people of Gujarat. So, as we are speaking, the celebrations have now pumped in not only in Vadodara but in different parts of Gujarat, as Prime Minister is here in Gujarat for the first time after the successful Operation Sindoor. And remember that not only in Gujarat, Pooja, but across the country we have seen the similar sort of celebrations taking place wherever Prime Minister has gone, be it about Bikaner or in Delhi also we saw the celebrations taking place. Across the country we have seen people holding tractors in their hand and are congratulating Prime Minister for the success of Operation Sindoor. And as we are speaking, Prime Minister has just left from Vadodara. He is now going towards Dahod, and after that he will go to Ahmedabad, to Bhuj, where he is going to dedicate multiple projects to the people of Gujarat. So here you can see as to how the performance continues to take place as more continue to join in here. Few leaders from BJP have also come here to take part in the celebration. Those are now taking place. So you can see as to how there is a joyous mode, there is a sense of excitement on the faces of people of Vadodara as Prime Minister just left from this place. He is now heading towards Dahod, and then after that he will go to Bhuj, Ahmedabad and different parts of Gujarat. So it's a very, very important visit of PM Narendra Modi here in Gujarat. His first visit after the success of Operation Sindoor, and you can see everywhere the sea of people who have gathered, they are holding tractors in their hand. They all were here to send one message to PM Narendra Modi that they are, very much happy. They are very proud of our Prime Minister, they are proud of our armed forces for successfully carrying out the Operation Sindoor. And that's why we are also seeing multiple posters also. Those have been put up here across the streets of Vadodara, thanking PM Narendra Modi and congratulating him for the Operation Sindoor, which was conducted by our armed forces. And through this, a befitting response has been given to Pak-sponsored.
Piyush, get in a few voices. You're on the ground. If you can, get in a few voices of the women. I see, therefore, the orange or the red saris they are wearing is not just a coincidence. It's a reflection of Operation Sindoor, which is such an important factor for many, many Hindu married women. And because how men were targeted in Pahalgam massacre and women were mocked and left and spared, so to say, to go tell Modi, there's a reason you see women coming together on that. Go ahead, Piyush, in case you can find a few people around you now, a few voices from the ground.
Well, absolutely. The message is loud and clear that yes, if you take one step against India, we are going to take 10 steps against you. That's the message which Prime Minister has sent out to the, to the world community and also to the people of, people across the globe. And here we have women who are here to thank PM Narendra Modi. क्या कहेंगी आप? प्रधानमंत्री का स्वागत किया आपने, उनका धन्यवाद किया.
हमने मोदी साहब को थैंक यू बोलने के लिए और हमारी सेना को, खास करके जो पाकिस्तान में जाके उसको आतंकवादी हमारी बहनों के लिए तो हमारा सिंदूर ही भगवान के समान होता है, और उसके लिए जो आतंकवादियों ने किया है तो हम बहनों तो बहुत मोदी जी और सरकार और नेवी आर्मी हमारी फौज के साथ हमने हमारी एक ही मांग थी कि जिसने हमारे सिंदूर को उजाड़ा है उसका जवाब आप सिंदूर ऑपरेशन देखे थे. वो हमारी बहने का सिंदूर ही सर्वोपरि थी, पहली दफा आए थे, तो हम बड़ौदा की सारी बहनें, शायद 25,000 या 30,000 बहनें रेड कलर सिंदूरी कॉस्ट्यूम में आई थी। मोदी जी आपके सिंदूरी ऑपरेशन के लिए हम तहे दिल से
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि काफी महिलाएं जो है वो लाल कलर की साड़ी, लाल कलर के कपड़े पहनकर यहाँ पर आई हैं। किस तरह की भावना है इस वक्त महिलाओं के अंदर?
मैंने पहले ही बोला कि हमारे लिए हमारे पति, हमारी सिंदूर एक श्रृंगार का स्वरूप नहीं है, हमारा शक्ति का स्वरूप होता है। और हमारी बहने के लिए 16 श्रृंगार में से एक सिंदूर सबसे प्रिय हमारा श्रृंगार होता है। हम भगवान से भी प्रार्थना करते हैं कि जब तक जिएंगे अखंड सौभाग्यवती होके जिए। और इस ऑपरेशन से हम सेना को और हमारे नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी को धन्यवाद कहना चाहते थे। इसीलिए आज 30,000 से ज्यादा बहनें रेड कलर की सिंदूर साड़ी पहन के उनके समर्थन में हमारी आर्मी को और हमारे बड़ा प्रधान जी को हम धन्यवाद बोलने आए थे। धन्यवाद आपका भी, प्रेस मीडिया वालों का भी।
That's right. So you can hear the voices coming in from the women here who have come here wearing red साड़ी। मैम, क्या मैसेज आप लोग आज के इस कार्यक्रम से देना चाहते हैं? मैं ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर मैं देख पा रहा हूँ आप लोगों ने टोपी भी पहनी जिस पर लिखा हुआ है
आज ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का जो यहाँ मोदी जी आ रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम लोगों में बहुत सारा उत्साह है। और एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि हमने आज सुहागन की जो रेड साड़ी होती है वो पहनी है, माथे में सिंदूर लगाया है, बिंदी लगाए। जिस सुहागन का सिंदूर उजाड़ा है और जो उसको जवाब दिया है मोदी जी ने, बस वही हमने देखा कि मोदी जी हम बहनों के लिए बहुत कुछ करते हैं। इसीलिए हम आज मोदी जी का भी स्वागत करने के लिए, उत्साह देने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं। बहुत सारी बहनें भी आए यहाँ पर, हमारी ये सारी महिला मोर्चा भी आए हैं।
आप इमोशनल भी हो रही है, क्या ये आप इमोशनल भी हो रही है, क्या ये भावनात्मक होने का फल आपको लगता है?
सॉरी,
आप इमोशनल भी हो रही है, क्या आपको लगता है कि मन में भावनाएं उभर?
हाँ, हम लोग कभी कभी ऐसा है कि मोदी जी महिलाओं के लिए इतना सारा काम करते हैं ने कि अभी तक किसी ने कोई काम ऐसा नहीं किया है। क्योंकि महिलाओं के विचार करते हुए वो जो भी करते हैं वो सही करते हैं। इसीलिए हम महिला उनकी जो बहनें हैं उसका मान सम्मान करते हैं। और आज इसी वजह से हम महिला मोर्चा, शहर महिला मोर्चा यहाँ उपस्थित है, रेड साड़ी में, रेड बिंदी में और रेड सिंदूर में।
आप क्या कहेंगे मैम?
जो मोदी जी ने जो अपनी बहनों का सिंदूर उजड़ गया था, इसलिए मोदी जी ने 1.5 दिन में पाकिस्तान को बहुत अच्छे से जवाब दिया। उसका अभिनंदन करने के लिए हम सब बहनों आई है। हमारा टारगेट था कि 20-25 हजार आएगी और आज 50 से 60 हजार बहनों इतनी 45 गिरवी में आई है। ये मोदी जी का प्यार है हमारे लिए। और बहनों सुबह से खड़ी है 8 बजे से आके।
आप लोग आप ही सुबह से आए?
हाँ, हम 6 बजे से इधर खड़े हैं और इतना उत्साह फैला हुआ है। मोदी जी ने सिंदूर की जो रक्षा की है, जो जवाब दिया है, आज हम लोग इतने खुश है। जो लोग आए हैं इतनी गर्मी में भी खुश है और मोदी जी का नारा लगा रहे हैं, उनको अभिनंदन दे रहे हैं कि मोदी जी जो आपने हमारे सिंदूर की लाज रख ली। आज हम लोग सारे लोग सिंदूर, लाल साड़ी, लाल बिंदी, लाल लिपस्टिक, हर चीज की उन्होंने हमारी रक्षा की है। हम मोदी जी का इतना धन्यवाद करते हैं। धन्यवाद मोदी जी, आपको ऐसा कोई कर ही नहीं सकता।
आज मोदी जी की कर्मभूमि है और यहाँ की सुप्रिया कुरैशी जो सिंदूर का ऑपरेशन संभाल रही है, वो बहन भी हमारे बड़ौदा की, इसलिए हमें बहुत प्राउड है।
So they all are very proud of PM Narendra Modi Pooja, and you can see as to how they are wearing a red sari. They have put red tilak. They have also, applied red bindi, and that's some message which they are trying to send, in which they are thanking Narendra Modi and our armed forces for successfully carrying out Operation Sindoor. As PM has now left from Vadodara, he is now heading to Dahod. From there, he will go to Bhuj, to Ahmedabad, and there are multiple events in which Prime Minister is going to take part. And everywhere, wherever he is going today, he will be welcomed, he will be congratulated, and he will also be thanked for carrying out and for the Operation Sindoor, which was carried out by our armed forces. Pooja.
Eventually, remember, it's the people on the ground who decide who they want to be led by, and they've decided for them it's Prime Minister Modi, what he has done, especially in the backdrop of Operation Sindoor. You're looking at, as you can see, streets are filled, packed. This is Vadodara in Gujarat. Prime Minister Modi will be heading to different areas, Dahod, Bhuj, and then Gandhinagar as well. So like I said, it's a Vikas push for the home state. Locomotive manufacturing plant He will also then inaugurate the gauge-converted Katosan-Kaloi rail section, a freight train also on an upgraded route, and then in Gandhinagar, we are told the Gujarat urban growth story will be marked. This event marks 2 decades since the launch of the Urban Development Year 2005. He was then the Chief Minister, Narendra Modi. So today, as a Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, he intends to take that story ahead, and therefore a new roadmap for the urban progress. Remember, it's a border state. A state again where Pakistan tried to hit our bases, our people, like other border states, and therefore it's imperative that our border states find not just development, but welfare of the people who are constantly forced to face from the neighbor nation. All right, it appears that it's not just about the Indian population, but different ethnicities, possible nationalities as well have been there present in the audience, as I can see, with posters and banners cheering for Prime Minister Modi. And PM himself ensuring in this roadshow that he's up and about waving to each one of them. I can't help but notice there are more women specifically right there at the forefront. Of course, a heavy security cordon, as you can see around Prime Minister Modi. But a return to Gujarat, remember, is unlike any other visit to any other state. A state he knows best, people he understands best, and therefore returning now as a Prime Minister Modi. These people, remember, these families have voted for him repeatedly, whether as a Chief Minister, whether as a Prime Minister. So there's definitely a connect that Prime Minister Modi has with Gujarat. Look at that, legendary figures, freedom fighters, all of them as being represented there on the stage. So full-on cultural bonanza that has been prepped up for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Look at that, both sides appeared to be packed by the supporters, by the people of Gujarat. And this is only Vadodara, so it's very likely that you could see a similar situation in other states as well. Most of these people, remember, have gathered just to catch a glimpse of their leader. Amid a heavy security cordon, but all smiles. And of course, cheer amid the Hindi music for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Piyush Mishra continues to be with us. Piyush, so what is the plan like for Vadodara? Because I hear there are at least 2 to 3 different cities he would be heading to. A package of approximately 80,000 crore rupees for the state of Gujarat. A lot of it is about raid, roll, infrastructure projects. All right, look at that. People are on the rooftop. The ones who possibly could not get a position right there in front in the audience. Full-on namastes and cheers. Remember, you cannot make this up. To have this kind of support that Prime Minister Modi has, especially from Gujarat, amid other states as well. We've seen similar visuals in other states, but to be able to have these people right on the rooftop with namaskars and cheers and waving and blessing him, this is a connect that Prime Minister Modi has formed over decades, not just years. And not coming from an influential political dynasty family, but to be able to do that as a karyakarta, as a worker, rise to the ladder of politics, and now as an international figure. It's a moment of course, pride for the state of Gujarat. Incredible support being seen on the ground. And almost all women. Let's listen in. Let's listen in, go on the ground to listen to these voices.
भारत माता की
You can see on the board, Senani Shat Shat Vandan, Naman and support to Prime Minister Modi as well for Operation Sindoor. So of course, on one side is the government push for Vikas and infrastructure development. But on the other side, it is as much about Operation Sindoor. All right, all of these legendary figures, and I want to go across to Piyush Mishra. Piyush, so what is the next step? Where is he headed to now? Because it's quite incredible what I see, that they are primarily women at the forefront. I saw people on the rooftops as well. Piyush?
Well, that's right, Pooja. After this road show which Prime Narendra Modi has just conducted in Vadodara, he is now heading to Dahod, where he is going to take part in multiple developmental, in a part where he is going to dedicate multiple developmental projects to the people of Gujarat. And after Dahod, he will go to Bhuj also, where there is again a road show event which has been planned by women, and more than 40,000 women in Bhuj also. They are going to welcome Prime Narendra Modi, and after Bhuj, Prime Minister will now will then head to Ahmedabad, where again we're at the Ahmedabad airport. Similar sort of welcome grand road show has now been planned. So there are series of programs which have been planned for the welcome of PM Narendra Modi, as he is here on a 2-day visit. But the message which the people of Gujarat want to send out is that they are very proud of the government. They are very proud of PM Narendra Modi for the success of Operation Sindoor, and that is why at every corner, wherever Prime Minister is going, they are congregating and thanking him and welcoming him.
See, what is it looking like around you? People must have gathered. If PM has left, even then, if they are still there. If you can show us around the kind of mood. Go ahead.
Well, slowly and gradually we are now seeing people vacating the streets as Prime Minister has now gone to Dahod. So a couple of minutes back we saw a large number of gathering here, but now slowly and gradually we are now seeing people going back to their respective residences, as Prime Minister is now headed to Dahod, and after that he will go to different parts of Gujarat. So as of now, we are now seeing that the people who were here to welcome PM Narendra Modi have now gone back to their respective residences. But yes, when Prime Minister was here, he was welcomed, he was loved, he was thanked for the success of Operation Sindoor. But now, as he is heading to Dahod, after that
yes,
he will go to
you've
Bhuj,
reported
then to
on
Ahmedabad.
so many of Prime Minister Modi's visit. When you compare each of these visits, and we've seen supporters everywhere, but do you believe, like I could sense that for Gujarat, there's something else. It's a different mood, sentiment. It's Prime Minister Modi like returning home.
Well, there's always a different mood when Prime Minister is in Gujarat in comparison to other states when you go. Why? Because Prime Minister is the son of soil. And that's why we have seen how not only people of Gujarat, but also people come from different parts of different states to welcome him, to just catch one glimpse of Prime Minister. We were speaking to various, residents of Vadodara. Many of them have come from various countries. In fact, 2 women we spoke to, they had come from USA just to catch one glimpse of PM Narendra Modi. So that's the kind of love which he enjoys here in Gujarat, because he is son of this soil. He has been keeping a special focus on the development of Gujarat. And remember that the Gujarat model was one of the biggest model which BJP also portrayed when PM Narendra Modi was appointed as the Prime Minister in the face of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So Gujarat has a special corner, has a special space in the heart of PM Narendra Modi. And whenever he comes here, we see similar sort of welcome, similar sort of love for PM Narendra Modi.